In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iOS 27 Beta 3 update stuck on update requested. Let's get started. First, launch settings on your device or launch your control center. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network. Likewise, click on the Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Click on I icon, then select the option forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then reconnect by entering the password again. Next thing you want to do is check whether you have enough storage in your device or not. For that, head back. Navigate to the option General, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Next up, you can head back. Now scroll down and head over to the option Date and Time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option Set Automatically. Then click on the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If you are connected, disable it. Then you can head back. Now scroll down. Click on the option Transfer or Reset Settings. Click on Reset All Settings and complete this process. Then you can head back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Screen Time. Click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle off for the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then you can head back, go to General, go to Software Update, check for the latest iOS 27 Beta 3 update again. By following these steps, you will be able to update to the iOS 27 Beta 3. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.